Multidisciplinary care is the way we take care of children with brain tumors. It's the treatment of the whole child and the family, putting together the specialists that need to be there to try to develop the treatment plan and carry the treatment plan through so we can optimize outcomes. So taking care of children with brain tumors is not the domain of one person or one specialty. We're treating children often in very specific developmental windows that are critical for their overall development. If we only think of controlling the tumor, which actually is our primary responsibility, we may cause problems that are going to be irreparable in the years ahead. So we have to understand not only the outcome as regards tumor control, but the outcome as regards quality of life in many children, development, school performance, competitive in the years ahead. Taking care of adults is also very difficult and is also multidisciplinary. But our stakes are we're trying to have children alive 80 years later. We have to understand what that means as far as their cognitive outcome, their schooling, their competitiveness, their abilities to have families. All of those things have to be put into some kind of context as we develop treatment plans. So the group that really has to be the major team that takes care of these children in a multidisciplinary fashion really includes a lot of different people. Obviously, it starts with the neurosurgeon. They have to take the tumor out in the majority of the cases. The oncologist, the radiation oncologist, the neurologist. These are critical parts, but there are other members of the team that at different times take on major roles. Nursing is extraordinarily important. Most programs have a nurse or a nurse practitioner to the group. We have the neuropsychologists, we have the endocrinologists, all that need to be part of it. Our social workers help the families get through this process. Our child life specialists do help these families and these children make it through the day. So these are all extremely important members of the team. Dependent on the child's problem, we may also pull in very important people like the physiatrist, PT, OT, speech therapy. It really depends on the situation.